Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see how to view All India quota cutoff for government colleges. For that, we have to select the cutoff menu, which is present under the Explore title. When you click it, it opens up another page. Here we have to select the All India quota option. After selecting that, the list of states which are participating in All India counseling are shown. Let's say, if you want to check Bihar All India Quota Government Colleges cutoff, you can select Bihar from the list. After selecting it, it shows the colleges of Bihar. For example, I'm selecting Sri Krishna Medical College. When I click it, it shows the cutoff for all rounds. The first text denotes the quota what we are looking for, the second one denotes the category, and the last one denotes the round. For example, in the screen, you can see in AIQ, General Category, Round 1, the closing All India rank cutoff was 7,555 and the respective NEET score cutoff was 633. Similarly, you can also check the cutoff for your category as well. Check out the cutoff for your state and be prepared for the counseling. See you in another video.